Fat-forward, sifting fact from fiction in the keto world. You know the old saying, where there's smoke, there's fire. In the keto world, sometimes it's just a fog of myths. Let's clear the air together. The keto diet has had its fair share of the limelight, and with fame comes myths, plenty of them. From fat phobia to wild claims about its impacts, the realm of keto is filled with whispers and rumors. But fear not. We're here to play the Mythbusters, and by the end of this blog, you'll be armed and ready to debunk some major keto misconceptions. Myth 1. Eating fat makes you fat. This is the granddaddy of all myths. But here's the twist. Eating fat, especially while keeping carbs low, can actually help burn stored body fat. On keto, fats are your primary fuel. Your body enters ketosis, and voila! Stored fat becomes your energy source. Myth 2. Keto is just another name for Atkins. While both diets focus on low-carb intake, they're not identical twins, maybe more like distant cousins. Keto emphasizes fat as the primary source of calories, while Atkins doesn't stress fat and progresses through different carbohydrate reintroduction phases. Myth 3. Keto will skyrocket your cholesterol. Remember when eggs got a bad rap for cholesterol? On keto, while there might be an initial spike in cholesterol for some, research often shows improved triglyceride levels and HDL cholesterol, which is great for heart health. Myth 4. Keto is unsustainable long-term. Any diet can feel tough if you approach it with a temporary mindset. Sure, keto requires commitment, but with diverse foods and tons of tasty recipes, many find it not just sustainable, but enjoyable long-term. Myth 5. You can eat any fat on keto. While keto is fat-forward, quality matters. Trans fats, often found in processed foods, are a no-go. Focus on wholesome sources like avocados, nuts, olive oil, and grass-fed meats. Myth 6. Keto means zero carbs. Nope. It's low carb, not no carb. Vegetables, especially leafy greens, are very much on the menu. It's more about ditching the refined and high-carb foods. Myth 7. The keto flu is inevitable. While many experience the keto flu during the initial carb-cutting phase, it's not a rite of passage. Staying hydrated, replenishing electrolytes, and easing into carb reduction can help sidestep these symptoms. Myth 8. Keto isn't good for athletes. On the contrary, many athletes find that once adapted, they have steadier energy and enhanced endurance on keto. It might require tweaks and some adaptation time, but it's definitely doable. Myth 9. Keto will lead to nutrient deficiencies. Any diet can be nutrient deficient if not done right. A well-planned keto diet, packed with vegetables, high-quality meats, and healthy fats, can be rich in vitamins and minerals. Myth 10. All you'll eat is meat and cheese. While some do enjoy their steak and cheese moments, keto can be incredibly diverse. Think seafood salads, almond flour pancakes, and coconut milk smoothies. The keto kitchen is a playground. Every trend, especially in the diet world, comes with its share of myths. The key is to sift through the noise, arm yourself with facts, and find what truly works for you. Some text goes here ready to explore more, dispel doubts, and deep dive into the keto universe? Let's debunk together. Click the link in the description to take a 1-minute quiz to create your custom keto diet and embark on your fat-fueled journey today.